Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Amazon has gone 27 years without a union in the United States. Now it's about to find out whether workers at two warehouses have voted to unionize. Britain's economy grew more quickly than previously thought in the last 3 months of 2021, and the country was hit by the Omicron wave of COVID-19 cases, driven by higher health spending, official data showed. The euro held a 1-month high against the dollar after rallying hopes of the war in Ukraine might enter a new de-escalating phase, while tumbling oil prices weighed down commodity currencies and the yen resumed its slide. The dollar fell 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 2.9% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar pair dove 5.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The UK's Markit Manufacturing PMI will be released at 08:30 GMT, the US ISM Manufacturing PMI at 1400 GMT, and the Dutch Markit Manufacturing PMI at 0700 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT, the Eurozone's HICP at 900 GMT, and Japan's Jibun Manufacturing PMI at 0130 GMT.